Welcome to Yuki's Kitchen. Today, I introduce Okra-Pork Roll. Let's start get it. Sprinkle salt on the okra and rub it. Remove the prickly ends of the okra. Okra is a nutritious vegetable rich in fiber, vitamin C, vitamin A, folate, magnesium, and calcium. It supports digestion, boosts the immune system, promotes healthy vision and skin, aids in cell growth, maintains bone health, and supports heart function. Boil the okra in hot water. Marusan brand pork belly from Okinawa is known for its high quality and delicious taste. Raised in the warm climate and unique farming methods of Okinawa, it offers a perfect balance of fat and meat, making it ideal for various dishes like stews and barbecue. A beloved representative of Okinawan cuisine, Marusan pork belly is cherished by locals. Wrap the okra with pork belly and grill it without adding oil. Sugar 1 teaspoon. Mirin 1 teaspoon. Sake 1 teaspoon. Vinegar 1 teaspoon. Soy sauce 1 teaspoon. Remove excess fat with kitchen paper. Add homegrown chili peppers to it. Finally, sprinkle sesame seeds on top. Plate it up and it's ready to serve. If you enjoy this video, just hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Arigato. Bye bye.